A retired Supreme Court judge has slammed the conduct of a Gold Coast magistrate brought to light during a 9 News investigation. He says the government has the power to remove Magistrate Brian Kilmartin, but he remains in the job while the Attorney-General turns a blind eye. Tonight, more local lawyers express serious doubts over the state system and join the call for a Judicial Commission.
Last week, we exposed a private conversation between Magistrate Brian Kilmartin and a prosecutor that had been recorded, where the magistrate suggests a self-represented accused, absent at the time, could stay in the cage for a bit longer, that they could make a Bobby Dazzler of a domestic violence order, and see what he thinks about that. Barrister David Funch learned of the conversation. He wasn't representing the man, but was so disturbed, took it upon himself, free of charge, to request the magistrate remove himself from the trial, which he did.
You've got the right to a fair trial and you deserve to be treated with a bit of dignity and a bit of respect.
Retired Supreme Court Justice James Thomas has now come out in support of Mr Funch, stating Channel 9's program shows a disturbing case of actual bias, with the hostile comments about staying in the cage particularly worrying. Our story prompted calls from a number of Southport lawyers for a Judicial Commission. Today, more joined the chorus.
The people have a right to be concerned, and I think the people have a right to have someone look at it appropriately and deal with it appropriately.
But Justice Thomas doesn't believe Queensland needs a Judicial Commission. He says judicial officers can't function properly and independently if they have outsiders breathing down their necks. He adds the government can apply to a Supreme Court judge to decide if that magistrate's removal is warranted. The conduct may be brought to the attention of the Attorney-General and very serious consequences may ensue. Well, we brought this to the attention of our Attorney-General Jared Blay, but he palmed off our request for an interview, while Chief Magistrate Tim Carmody replied it was inappropriate for him to comment.
If they're costing everyone money, time and energy in their failure to do their job properly, surely it's got to be someone's responsibility.
Alex Bernhardt, 9 Gold Coast News.